We woke up to the battery alarms going off. I'm Holly, that's Ray, and this is our home, Sabado. Subscribe to tag along on the adventure.
Bing! What? Bing! 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 Bing!
Well, let's go find a dinghy.
Yes, this is Sabado. We are currently out looking for a dinghy that broke free at some point last night, and it could be out towards the area that you're at right now. So we're hoping that if you happen to see one drifting by, you might let us know.
Absolutely, and this is Sabado, is that correct?
That's correct, Sabado.
Alright, well, I'll keep my eyes peeled. Thank you for the heads up, and I'll keep on looking.
Oh, that sounds great. Thank you so much. It's appreciated.
I think the plan right now is to head around this point and just hug the coastline. So far we've got nothing. We're gonna head through this mooring field and just hope that somebody else found it and we see it tied to the back of their boat. Well, we did not find their dinghy. Oh, I just feel so bad for them. Our dinghies are like our cars, you know? So it's a huge inconvenience and a pretty big expense to have to replace it. There's still a chance that it might turn up, but I think in the meantime, we're just gonna try and salvage the day with a little snorkel, and then we're all gonna go out to dinner together. Well, never mind. The visibility is pretty. I think it's because those cruise ships came in this morning and just mucked the whole place up. The water's nice though, and I think I found someone's old anchor. We are currently running our generator despite using our engines for several hours yesterday while we were helping our friends look for their dinghy. We still woke up to our battery alarms going off. I am counting down at the days until our lithium install, but in the meantime, I'm going to take advantage of the generator being on. I think we're gonna throw in a load of laundry, make some water, and do some inside work while the air conditioning is going. All right, this is the drawer where Ray keeps all of his clothes, and it's also right where we're gonna be installing our new lithium batteries. Over here is all of my clothes. Now, do I need all of this? Probably not. So I'm gonna start by going through that first and see where that leaves us. But the goal today is to have this drawer completely empty and ready for our install. This is all of our winter stuff, so I'm gonna pack it away in like a vacuum seal bag and store that somewhere else. And then I was able to empty one of these bins that was full of my clothes so that Ray can have it. Nice. That was easy. Okay, mission accomplished. This drawer is completely empty and ready to be yanked out and replaced with lithium batteries. Once our winter stuff was stored away, Ray had a lot less clothing than I thought he did, so I just cleared out this cabinet in this drawer for him and all of his stuff fits. So now that that's finished, I'm going to just make a few calls and see if I can get us a spot in a marina, and hopefully I will see you guys next week for the install.